So guys, quickly before dinner, I built an sort of an aviary. Oh my god. I really had to take my time building this because it was a tough job. But I put Hercules, hi Hercules, and Tommy in there. And they're really happy because now they can fly around and just have the time of their lives. It's true. I saw them flying and it's really awesome. They've got so much space. I've got an apple there now and they're eating the apple. So that's Tommy and Hercules. Down there I've got another cage ready, but I don't know if I should put the males all together or if I should put the two new ones down there. I'm debating it because, of course, I have got cats. They're sneaking around, and I don't want the birds to get all like crazy with fear. So I'm still thinking about. So I put in some toys. They like the toys because they're fiddling with it, and they've got all they want. Uh, their seed, their egg food, their bath house. They've got everything. It's awesome to see. They're really happy there. They're able to fly, and that's what makes me happy. So they have room, they can fly wherever they want, like, yeah. And then I've got my two new babies. Do you want to see them? So the one there sitting there with yellow and brown, we have called him Leon because I thought it was soothing. It was a name that suits him well. He's like, he's got this yellow, but he still has got this brown, like manes. Wait, I try to zoom in. Say hi, Leon. Hi. Hi. So that's Leon. He's yellow and brown. And then my baby girl, she wanted to name the other one. And the other one. I'm sorry, but it's really, there's much shadow now, so I cannot show you really. But he's more brown with a few streaks of white. And she wanted to call him Theo, so Theo it is. Hi, Pikachu. Pikachu is, I think she's happy now that I took out the nest and I'm like, I'm sorry, I'm gonna separate you guys. No more eggs now, no more breeding. It's enough. Of course, if I see her flying around with stuff, I will put in a nest, but she won't have eggs that are fertile because I don't want to keep breeding and breeding because first off it's gonna be too much, and second they cannot inbreed, so the only ones that can breed are Tommy and Pikachu. Maybe for next year I'm debating on getting a orange red canary, and I told this to Mario and he was like rolling his eyes and he was like, oh my god, no. But yeah, I love those red orange canaries, so I might do that. But I'm so happy they can fly. They can fly. They can really fly in here. They're like, Most of the time they're just hopping around, but sometimes I can catch them like really trying to fly around, and it makes my heart so happy because I know that they're really happy in the cage there. They've got much space, and yeah. Yeah, Tommy, look, he just did it. He was like flying around. He does that. Sometimes he just flies around to the other side of the cage, but of course they're males altogether, so he doesn't want to get into fights. So I'm debating, maybe I will put Leon and Theo in there with them, but I'm debating on putting them down there so that both of the new birds can have all the space they want to fly. And look, he's flying. I don't want him to fight. I don't want him to fight at all because oh, sometimes they do, and it's like, hey, I'm here, like, what are you doing? But those are the birdies for you. Look, he's going to eat apple. Hercules. He's my little... Yeah, he's still the baby, you know. He's like fully grown now, because you can see it in his tail. When their tail is like a V shape, that means that they're grown and that they're productive. Your apple fell. Okay, just gonna put the apple right. I don't know what happened. Oh my god. This is I know this is weird, but I just wanted to make this video for people who asked me about the little birdies. Okay, just opening the cage now, going in, taking the apple there, and putting it back. And you've been a bit too forceful, my dear Tommy. Yeah, filming birds is not easy because the camera... No, don't fight! The camera tends to focus on the bars instead of the birds, I know. So I try to do it like that. Sing it, baby! Sing it, baby! Yeah, you sing it, my lovely birdie. So yeah, so I've got this cage, and now there's an empty cage there, which I hope I won't have to use, but I will use it if I see that someone is fighting too much. There he goes. I love them. I wasn't sure about canaries, and now that I have them, I wouldn't know what to do without them. They brighten the day with like this song, and they're so cute to watch. Look at it. Look at it. Like, he's eating the apple right now, and he's like, yeah, you're cute too. Tommy is really a feisty fella. He's like, no shit. Like, yeah. Yep. There he goes. you know, I put I put something on their cage, like I've got this tablecloth and a blanket that I put over the cages in the evening so that they can go to sleep. Hi, Leon. Leon is the one with the yellow and the other. Oh, but you cannot. It's difficult to show you guys. But I just want to show you, so those are the two that made it from the nest. 5 eggs again, 2 didn't come out at all, 1 did not survive, so it was a little tiny bird, and in the end it just died, and I took it away, and those 2 ones were like, no, we're here to stay, so I welcome them into the world, and I will try to put them there, and if it's not working with the cats, I will just put them together, but still then they will have lots of space to fly around, so I'm not really troubled about that. And maybe in the future I will go and get my red orange canary, because Berre was asking, yeah mom, you have to call one of them Berre. I'm like, no, I've already gave them a name. And he said, yeah, but I want a canary that's called Berre. I'm like, okay, you know what, I will get a red canary. And he was like, yeah, red is my color, I've got a red jacket and red clothes and I'm all for red. And I'm okay, I will get a red canary and I will call it Berre. So Berre is my autistic son. And yeah. So that's my update on the canaries. I hope you can all see that they're doing great. They're really happy in their cages. They are thriving. I'm trying to take care of them the best that I can, because I just have to watch them and see how they do and see if they like what they get and everything. But I think it's okay now. Yeah, you're a cutie. Eat your apple. You see both of them eating apple now. And Pikachu, she's the feistiest one of them all. She's the female. shouldn't really, yeah, wonder, yeah. So she's always all over the place. But of course, she doesn't really sing, so she doesn't have the capacity to relieve her energy as much as the other ones. Like, the other ones do sing, and that's a relief for them, but she's like hopping, and it might be harsh to take the males from her, but now I'm like, I don't want to have to go to pet stores and yeah, you sing it, baby. You sing it. You are so adorable. Oh, he's so cute. Yeah, that's the way the canaries are doing now. And so mommy, Theo, and Leon, and mommy is thriving. I will try to find some other things to entertain her with, but when these 2 little guys are older, I'm going to put them down there so they can fly around and just be happy. Happy birdies. Watch the outside. And that's it for now for me, guys. I thank you to be here. I didn't mean to come on, but I just wanted to share this because apart from diamond painting, pets are my life. So, hi, bye, and hope you enjoy your Easter. Have a great time. Enjoy the chocolates, but not too much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Bye.